Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and if you're ready to give the interior of your second gen Tacoma a huge upgrade in the look and feel without going to an upholstery shop and breaking the bank, then you have to check out these custom fit seat covers from EKR. While the cloth seats in my truck are durable, there's nothing luxurious about the look and feel when you get in. Plus, if you spill a drink, even water, it often leaves an outline that looks pretty bad. These seat covers instantly improve the look and feel when you sit down in the truck. Because they're a custom fit, they don't slide around or bunch up when you get in and out of the truck. Also, because they fit so well, when you install them, it takes a little effort to get them on, just like putting on well-fitting gloves. The end result is totally worth the minimal effort though. The look and feel of these covers is very similar to the Soft-Tech seats on my new Toyota, which is to say they're a perfect balance, neither slippery or sticky, just smooth and plush. I chose the solid black color that in my opinion really looks like factory when you see it and sit down. They also come in a couple other colors along with black that have accent colors if you really want to make more of a statement. There are cutouts for the headrest and other important features. So everything you need is accessible. I really wish I would have made this improvement sooner because this has really transformed the look and feel of the truck inside. So if you're ready to upgrade from dull cloth seats to this amazing look and feel, I'd say go for it with these EKR custom fit seat covers. And that's my point of view.